Hello, dear traffic team. Cristian Ionescu from Catstats.ai here. You're getting this video because I know you are using Everflow. I worked in the last 6 years as a data analytics and machine learning expert in the affiliate marketing industry, and I know the struggle of needing proper reports and visualizations. And I've also seen the struggle of having to look out after your affiliates and chase them and try to push a new offer, try to make them run an offer that you like, try to keep them engaged, try to reactivate them or bring them back when they are no longer active. And because I know all of that, I built Catstats.ai to simplify some of that work for you. In a nutshell, what I want to show you today, this is the coolest feature that I've embedded in Catstats.ai, which is AI-powered offer recommendations. What I did is I used similar algorithms that Netflix uses when it generates and calculates and the next movie that you'll likely enjoy. And I use the same algorithms, but this time I'm calculating based on your Everflow data what offers your affiliates should try next. How I do that? It's super simple. Let's take an example. We have two affiliates. We know that both ran the same 5 offers, but then the other one, the second one, ran a 6th offer. So that means chances are that our first affiliate might enjoy it as well. So this is how the offer recommendation engine works. What it does is for each affiliate, it calculates what other offers the affiliates similar to them ran and sorts them according to some filtering criteria here, but mainly how much revenue the other affiliates generated, because we want to have relevancy in what we recommend. It's super simple. So here for each affiliate, you see the offers that are getting recommended. You can uncheck some of them if you don't want to recommend them. And after you uncheck them, you just click send. You have here a proposal of the text that goes along in the email that is getting sent to the affiliate. If you want to customize that, feel free to do it. You can send a test email to yourself to see what it looks like. So let's just check it out. There we go. So this is what your affiliates are receiving. These are the super personalized email that they are getting with the offers they should try out. The email already has embedded the URL. They just click and they navigate to your Everflow instance. They log in there so they can get their creatives and titles and everything they need to promote it, and that's it. Now, because we do the sending, we then corroborate that to your future revenue. And so you have here a report of all the incremental revenue and gross profit that was generated because of those personalized recommendation emails. When I built this tool, I very much wanted to build a tool that pays for itself. And this is my way of actually showing you that the tool more than pays for itself. What I can tell you from the data that we have from our current customers is the return on investment of this tool is less than 1 month. All the networks that tested it generated more incremental gross profit many times over than what the subscription costs. It's super simple to connect it. You just navigate over to catstats.ai. You click on get started. This takes you to the sign up page. You create an account, and once you create an account, you are prompted to connect your Everflow platform. So this is what the connecting steps are. You just, here. So when you click connect, you give it a name. click next. You are prompted here with the necessary permissions that you need to grant to the API key. You need to have admin access in your Everflow instance to navigate to security and API key generation. And when you generate the API key, you need to grant it this set of roles that I've added here for you. You generate the API key, you copy it, you paste it here, you click connect, and in about 25 maybe to 40 minutes, depending on how much data your instance has, the recommender engine is going to be populated with the latest recommendations. On top of the recommended engine, maybe we can discuss this over in a separate day and dive deeper. I just want to show you super quickly what you are getting on top of the recommendation engine is a full audit of your affiliate network, which means you have here the top priorities you need to keep an eye on. You get some very nice stats about the growth and the trend of your network, whether it's been growing or not, whether you have any churn going on. I mean, of course, an affiliate can go silent without you noticing, which is why I'm looking here, for example, week over week, if there's any affiliates that see a drop in the revenue they generate, and we show it here so you can stay on top of that. This goes the same for advertisers. We are using machine learning time series algorithms to make a projection of your revenue, just so you can see where you're headed based on the seasonality of your data, so you can react timely. I've built here a beautiful affiliate segmentation model just because I know there's not enough hours in the day to be on the lookout for after all your affiliates, which is why I'm segmenting them according to how long it's been since they generated the conversion, how many offers they run, and how much revenue per offer they generate. And using this information, I segment them in different buckets that you need to treat differently. You have here the definition. I'm showing you here how much revenue each segment generated, just so you can have an understanding of who the important affiliates are. And you have here also recommended strategy for each of them. And of course, for instance, just to give you an example, where you have here dormant potential VIPs, so these are affiliates that are not active. If you want to reactivate them, what better way to reactivate them than sending a personalized email with the offers they should try out next? See? So it all ties together. I told you it goes on and on. I'm scoring and analyzing all your offers, whether there's any offers. For instance, look, inefficient offers which at the same time have too low margin and too low volume. We're looking whether you have any offers with scaling opportunity, any declining offers. We're looking here at publisher manager performance. We're scoring about everything. We're looking at advertisers and we're segmenting them according to how engaged they are, whether they are spending more or less with you this month. The declining top advertisers and how you can maybe make up for that lost revenue with the fast growing advertisers, and on and on. We're looking whether there are any affiliates that have an abnormally high conversion rate, which may be a sign of fraud. And we're also looking at how long it's been, if you use Everflow to manage your creatives, we're looking at how long it's been since you've updated your creatives, to avoid creative fatigue. And in case you want to refresh it, you have here details about the creatives you should be replacing and how many affiliates are running that offer, just so you can have a sense of how many of them you need to reach out to. And lastly, this is something, a check. When I built it, people told me that it's not needed, but the data proved it is. I'm checking whether you're paying more in payouts than you're earning in revenue. I know this is a very rare situation, but so far I've seen, unfortunately, plenty of examples where the commissions were not set correctly, or it was a combination of paying the affiliate rev share but earning a CPA from the advertiser. So there are combinations where you can actually end up paying your affiliate more. It shouldn't happen. I'm just checking it happens just so you can stay on top of it. This is it in a nutshell. I hope you like it, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.